As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seeth Kingoff, Philippine Business.
What's up to all of you, and this is your Ninong, and welcome to our SM Video Vlog Special. And I will do a grocery today here at SM Supermarket, at ang title natin ay Nag-shopping ako sa SM Supermarket. Now your Ninong will try and to discover how SM Supermarket do their action of Henry, of serving people to give what they need and what they want, the service, the commodities, and the products that we need for everyday life. So, yung ngayon ay magta-try for the first time how to become a shopper. So, parang parents ko lang. Ngayon, ang ninong nyo ang nabigyan ng isang task na mag-shopping ng aking mga ipapamili para sa aking pamilya. So, samahan nyo ako sa special na video vlog na ito together with your ninong here at SM Supermarket of NBC. Check out the oil. Of course, the last but not least, we will buy so this is how box the house. Dito ka tayo. Ay, naligyan sa check na siya sa ating item. So now, your ninong is having a shopping. I buy spaghetti, tapos chicken. Bibili ko na lang is sauce. Carbonara na lang. Saan kaya dito? Mortis o Del Monte? Aking bibilan ko ang inventory yan. So neto, apat na pack ng medium sauce para sa akin ng so, kailangan nyo natin isa pang gap. So, wow, ang dami na rin palang new products ng SM Bonus, tissue, mga sabon, at mga plastics and detergents. Oh. Nakaplug pa yun last time. Tartan ng Maynila, discovering the SM Bonus products. Saan tayo dito, Mel? And I see Bossing. Wow, he's here in SM again. Bossing is here, so it means E80 na. Okay, so kaya dito yung ibang products na anak ng ninong nyo. So, napakalawak ng ating SM Market, no? So ito po yung mga meat products. Pork and beef and chicken is here. Yeah. Yung mga ano nila, chicken nuggets. Okay, dito sila. Tulog pa sila eh. Bacon, tipon, kung gusto makamura, 56 lang. Tapos meron tayo dito, titry na yung iba. Mas panalo ka sa 56. Matis, 42 na lang. Diba? You have a lot of choices here in SM, not only in a one price. Like ito, salads, pinaka baby, ay 20. Ito, budget hanap, 16 lang, Batangas. Lots of action to check the good prices, fresh. Oh, talaga yan. Gulay dito sa SM Supermarket. Ninong nyo, naghanap-hanap doon ng gulay. Ito, 11 lang, dami pa laman. Veggie. Nabili ko na po ang Alaska. Ito na yung hinahanap-hanap ko so that we can complete yung ating product dito. So next naman is oil. As you can see, We have a great savings dito. For only 400 pesos, you can buy your baon. May libre pang medyas pang back to school. O, diba? May mga snack price na pwede sa inyong budget. Mga shampoo and conditioner. So, this is one of the actions of Henry C. in serving the supermarket for our people. So, one of the need of your ninong is cheese. Nahanap ko na po. Teka, kung mabuksan, paano ba? Ito pala. Ayun. So, Eden. Yan. Sabi naman makompleto si ninong nyo. The next item that I will buy is Nestle Cream. So, I finally found Nestle Cream. At tignan nyo naman, super sale. From 68, 64 na lang po siya. 64.50. So, super saya ang mag-shopping talaga dito sa SM. So, now I already also buy Jolly. No? Ito yung ating mushroom. Hindi po Jollibee, Jolly mushroom po, okay? One of the needs, ano pa ba? So now your ninong is now done. Yeah, kompleto na ang aking shopping list. At pupunta na po tayo sa cashier para po ma-purchase na ang ating mga biniling products with your ninong. Ayun, tapos na po ang aking mga pinamili. Ayan na, purchase na yung aking mga shopping list for my family. So, thank you for watching and God bless all of you. The thing that I discovered in SM Supermall, maraming freebies, maraming discounted, at great value na mapipil mo talaga yung money mo ay may narating sa pag-shopping dito sa SM Supermarket, service action of your NBC. At nakita ko, ang dami mga pogi. Hindi, yung mga poging produkto. My goodness. So, nag-joke lang po ang ninong nyo. Mga good quality products. So, parang lesson of 3 partido. Kunin din siya. Sabi niya ng NBC. Diba? So, like, comment, and subscribe. And you may buy this video vlog for only 100 pesos and 80 pesos for screen recording. So, diba? Uuwi lang ninong nyo. This is for my family. Bilang kuya at panganay. So, ito yung na-assign sa akin. Ibigay, thank you po. And mabuhay po yung mwah. Thank you, thank you.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.